This is number 10 Sharp Eye Channel. We are here at Lucas Moripe Stadium. Mamelodi Sundowns 1, Polokwane City not. Brother, how do you feel about the game today?
Okay, all right, man. Hey, today it's a win, but Sundowns game open today is very, very, very poor.
Drop me.
Drop. But then like we say awareness. This game after extra time, but it's just a win that one.
Yeah.
But sometimes it's coaching sharp play on there. I guess we're killing yacho or king one. But sometimes the problem it really has an akala yeah push or win before a ride.
Oh yeah.
It's the the pressure until this time.
And taking into consideration Hore nearly number 1 and then Polokwane City number 8. So Babono Rai Rofeta fell.
Exactly. Into le scheme se batho le ka sola se then go bontsha re Polokwane City bentse ba nyatsa one. But anyway sometimes e win le buisha. And then se sengwe se gore ntho ke bona gore ne Sundowns a ke bone gore ka semifinal e ka loka e ka bua ka pattern e bile ngana today a ke bone gore e ka loka mo Stellenbosch
because of Stellenbosch se bi
se bi ma cause ona rena le bo rena se rena le Titus a one a ke bone but he ka change e bua ka pattern e rulane one one if mangabe bua ka pattern e rulane it's good Sundowns yana it's already big players is strong and I think gore e go fita final
as a Pagania fan do you think o tlo feta go Cape Town City?
Cape Town City it was like obvious.
But Eric Tinklam no
I told you go Orlando or final. Even today I confirm Orne, yeah, go Cape Town City.
All the best, my brother. Thank you very much.